Hey, what's up everybody? Did you know that 96,000 people move to Las Vegas every single year? The question is why? Well, due to the Fed's interest rate hikes have increased the cost of living for many Americans across the country. Americans are now looking to relocate to Las Vegas because of no state income tax, low unemployment, low cost of living, and affordability for housing. We're also the entertainment capital of the world. So if you are thinking about relocating to Las Vegas, we would like to offer you a free Southern Nevada market report and a relocation guide. All you have to do is click on that link below to claim yours today. All right guys, another day, another video home tour. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Chakits Krulsawat, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, I just got done touring the Skyland. If you guys haven't had a chance, go ahead and check out this property. But today we're gonna be focusing on the Bellevue. This is the model, and the Bellevue consists of 2,640 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath with a 2-car garage. It is a 2-story home, and this is a NextGen suite. So basically it's 2 houses in one. This is great if you have mother-in-law, father-in-law, mom, dad, sister, brother, cousin, you got kids that are older. So today I'm out here in Cadence, which is a master plan community in the city of Henderson. And the name of this neighborhood is called Preston Crest at Cadence. So let's take a look at this thing together. So we got some stack stone, we got some pop outs, different textures. Now I noticed the front door is on the side of the home here, and you got to walk down this walkway, which is, I kind of feel dangerous for a family member to be walking here because I feel like somebody could be hiding here. But however, when you get home, you never walk through the front here. You always park in the garage and go through the garage. The last time I walked through my front door is probably like maybe 8 months ago. Okay, let's take a look at the window trims here. Definitely needs to be cleaned up. Attention to detail is not there. Now, one thing about moving here to Las Vegas, you're always going to get some dust like this. Every month you probably want to vacuum this out so that way your track slides nice and smooth. They also make a spray that runs down the track so that way you can open and close your window very easy. Now, do not use WD-40 because it definitely collects all the grease. Now, one thing I do want to mention, I have not seen this home, so we are looking at it together for the first time. Now, the price on this bad boy, starting off at $532,990. About 90% of the things that you do see here, what you see is what you get other than the backsplash. And also, if the builder had already picked the cabinets and the countertops, it is what it is. So, I mean, it's a pretty nice open floor plan. Now, there's a couple things I don't like about it, but we're going to look at this thing together and evaluate it together. And I want to actually get your thoughts in the comments below. I want to know what your thoughts are because I think this is very important. Okay, first thing I've noticed when we come in, we've got 9-foot ceilings is definitely a plus. However, one of the things that I already see is that we do have a closet. But look what they did with the casing here, and we have the staircase, right? But you're gonna have a door blocking this, thinking you're gonna have all this room, but as soon as you open it, you're like, what the hell is this? Look at that, watch your head. That's my point, okay? Sunrise, pretty big company out here now. They are doing a lot of installs for the builders out here. We have standard orange peel texture, straight edge cornering, 3 inches on the baseboards here. Dual pane windows, all vinyl. It does come with the blinds. Now, if we take a look at the backyard, we have a 8 by 6 foot slide, which really looks awkward on a 9-foot ceiling. If you're gonna do a 8 by 6, why would you do that? You need to go 8 by 8, so that way you get more light in, and it's also symmetrical with the windows. I mean, it just doesn't look right, okay? Now we do have 12 by 24 on the tile with a 6-inch stagger, 3/8 on the grout lines here, straight edge. But the problem here with the straight edge, I can already tell, laying down the tile, they just threw the tile down and didn't float the floor, so you're gonna have some rough edges, okay? 42 upper cabinets. I love the sheen. I love the color of these kitchen cabinets. Countertops. These are the Petrofina recyclable hard surface countertops, which does look cool because it feels like it's got some glass. Unfortunately, we can't go to the backyard because the door is locked. Here, we're going to have MDF staples, side glides, fast closing cabinets with a quick bounce. Okay, obviously they got some bumpers here. You got Moen faucets. However, these are going to be apartment grade of everything. Okay, we have GE packaged appliance, the lowest grades that you can get. I know, guys, you're probably thinking that I'm sounding negative. No, I'm just telling you the truth. Look, I love homes like how a lot of you guys like cars, right? And you guys can pick a car apart. You know what kind of upgrades are in a car or modifications. It's just the same thing for me, right? That's how much I love homes. Now, let's take a look. We've got pantry, skid plate here, or a striker plate. A little bit crooked, so that's something I would check, okay? We got Sting alarm system. This is who they're contract with. This system actually right here, which is the IQ, this is a dope system because this system allows you to integrate with a lot of other third-party companies, like your Ring doorbell and all that good stuff. This is actually really good. Then we have our guest bathroom. Okay. Not bad. Here's our 2-car garage. Here's your NextGen. Let's walk into the NextGen. But we're going to start off this side like we're coming through the door here. Okay. So this is the front door. You come on in and bam. Love the fact that we do have our separate double stack washer and dryer. Is this gas or is this electric? This looks like it is all electric. Then here we have microwave, refrigerator. Typically all this will come with it. You're not going to get your sink or an oven. Okay, doesn't work that way. I'm sorry, you're going to get your sink but not an oven. And the reason why is because this is not zoned for multi-living. If it was zoned for multi-living, then according to code, you are allowed to put a stove. But what do people do? They put a electric stove, right? Here, as you can see, this is not as wide, guys. Look how tight this is. But for one person just to live here, this kind of feels like a retirement home, which is, I'm kind of cool about this. Like, eventually what's going to happen is I'm going to have to get something like this for my mom as I'm getting older. She's getting older. And I want to keep her close, but also keep her far at the same time. Because I tell you what, about 20 minutes with my mom is just driving me nuts. But I also want to keep her close enough where I can check up on her. This actually works out for me. So this could be a possibility. The only downside is we need a single story because I'm done walking up and down the stairs. Now here we have a thermostat. Thermostat right now is about 60 inches high, which is, it needs to be set lower. That's my personal preference. Don't know why it's that high. But 9-foot ceilings, decent size on the room here. We got a transfer grill. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. Nice high vanity. 32 inches on the vanity, which is nice. Under mounted sink. Then we have the one-piece fiberglass shower, which is perfect. Love that. Easy to clean. Easy to maintain. Now, let's go upstairs. Let's see what this is really all about. Oh, you know, I got to show you the backyard real quick. But like I said, we can't go outside because, oh, you know what? The track is gone. Maybe we can go outside. Oh! The other one we couldn't go outside because they had a track. Look how big this backyard is. However, remember, you buy a brand new home here, landscaping is not included. However, I am your real estate plug. I got all the guys, I got all the contractors, best discounts. All you got to do is just drop my name. They give you the discount code. Why? Do you get a discount by dropping my name? I don't get any type of incentives. I don't get kickbacks or anything like that. What I get is, number one, I provide the service to you. Number two is I do a lot of business with a lot of people. And what happens is they reciprocate. So The way that I do this is I build relationships with other people that are in the industry, and I send them all my business. However, they have to do good work, so they are aware of that. So let's take a look at this. As big as this home is, we got 2 condensers, okay? These are Carrier brands. These are actually a really good brand, believe it or not. They've been around for almost, I think like around 50 years at this point. We've got 2 disconnects here. We got some exhaust here. We have a drain line. So the primary and the secondary is up there, okay? We got an additional plug here. Here is the exhaust for the hood. Now, we got a wet spot here, wet spot here, wet spot there. What does this mean? What does this tell you? That means you might have to check the cap for the irrigation system. The cap could be gone and is spitting out way too much water. But going back to the landscaping, if you need a landscaper, just hit me up, because within 6 months or a year, depending on the HOA guidelines, you may be required to do your landscaping, guys. But yes, I am your real estate plug. I am like the drug dealers for houses, I guess. Now, I'm saying that just to make a joke, guys. I don't do or deal drugs. I do not condone that kind of stuff, especially for all my young cats watching. All right, let's go upstairs. Okay, a couple things I've noticed. Stairs are wide, which is a plus to me. However, look at the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 steps. I could have swore a code once you hit, oh, you know what? I think it's probably 18 steps. 18 or 19 steps you are required to have a landing. So this one has 17, so you're fine. Now, I don't remember the exact code because I'm not a contractor. However, there was a part of my career I've done framing, electrical, AC work, plumbing, and also laid concrete. Back in the days. But no. Now I get to look at beautiful homes and okay. Pony wall, I would probably open this up to get more space. This is the primary here. Let's go over here at primary. You know what, we're just going to go straight for it. Wow, primary is large. 9-foot ceilings, love that. We only got 1 can light here, okay? LED. However, with Lennar and all the builders, you got 1 option. Builders won't even give you a light. The reason why they give you a light here is because it's required by code that you give 1 light, or you actually have a half hot with a rocker switch to a lamp light. Okay, it's required by code that you have that. However, what Lennar said is, we won't give you a half hot, we'll just go ahead and give you a pre-wire with the LED light with a light switch there. The good news is typically you can hang a ceiling fan, but you need to make sure to check the rating, because sometimes they may just only frame that light off of 1 2x4, but not 2 2x4s, or they can actually use a rail slide, but that rail slide is only for 40 pounds. But the ceiling fan that you have is 60 pounds. So something that you just need to be aware of. That's also in a resale home, so you got to check these things when you're hanging your ceiling fan. Now, when you move into your home, you're not going to get some blinds, so if you need a connection for the blinds, the ceiling fans, if you need somebody to paint, we got that. In addition to that, if you are looking to get into the investment game, or if you're looking to remodel your home, I've got connections for that. I'm liking the bathroom. Very just cookie cutter, but you know what? It's very spacious, so I do like it. The layout is really good. Okay. It's not bad. Love how large this bedroom is. Got the French doors here. Wow, very large door here, very wide. Looks like we have some optional cabinets. Attic access right there. Washer and dryer is obviously optional. It is a gas, which is the plus. Smart panel boxes on this side, which is a little bit unique here. I thought they would have put it on this side because you got the cabinets here, but you know what? I think I understand why they would put it there. It makes more sense. Probably because we got a load-bearing wall and you got a couple 2x4s coming up and down here to reinforce this side, so that definitely makes sense. So we have bedroom number 2 for the main house here. But this looks like it shares a Jack and Jill. We got a queen size bed, so this is a decent sized room. It's probably 12 by 13, 12 by 14. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, you know, just go ahead and reach on out to me. I'll get you all the information that you need to this property. In addition to that, I do have the standing inventory list. So if you are looking for a discount, right, with the standing inventory list, what is a standing inventory list? This is where the builders have built out the property, but nobody's buying the property because the price could be a little bit high, and they are doing a price reduction because it is the fourth quarter. That is the best time to buy, is the fourth quarter. When I bought my bank-owned property, I bought it through Countrywide. I bought it during, what, November 9th or something like that. We closed out December. We crushed it, guys. Killed them. Love the fact we got 9-foot ceilings, though, on the second floor. Makes it feel like it's open. Now, if you guys don't have a real estate agent, make sure to give me a call. Oh, is this the contrast? Let me see here. Oh, yeah, more brighter, more darker. Let's go brighter. I like bright. Could be overexposed. Oh, it's overexposed. Whoop. Okay. Let me change the exposure, guys. Oops, wrong one. You big dummy. Uh-oh, what am I doing here? What am I doing here, Chuck? What am I doing? Now I got to change the exposure. Let me just flip this around. Oh my gosh. I done messed up the camera. Now I got to fix this damn thing. Let me see here. Maybe the one on the top. Man, I'm looking old as hell. Look at me, I'm looking old. Oh, you can zoom in, zoom out like that. Look at that. Zzz. Oh, man. Guys, I really messed up, so I do apologize. I should just end this video, huh? Yeah, you know what? Let me just end this video real quick. I know it's like super overexposed. Oh, my gosh. I'm such a screw up. Okay. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, but most importantly, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. And until next time, I'll see you guys again. Let me go ahead and fix this camera. All right, guys, be blessed now. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.